First off, we are going to cut our potatoes in half, and then we are going to dice them. We will do this with 4 pounds of potatoes like the recipe calls for. And I have sliced or diced my 4 pounds of potatoes just to save time in this video. And then you will add your 4 pounds of potatoes to boiling water with salt added in the water. Now you will take all of your spices, add them into a bowl, and then you will add your sugar. And you will whisk those together till everything is combined. After they're all combined, you will add your 1 cup of mayo, and you will whisk those together until combined. This will be the dressing for your salad. Now we are just going to mince 2 hard-boiled eggs. Now we will chop some green onions. And add those into a bowl. You can use pre-cooked bacon or cook your own, but we will chop those into fine pieces. Now we are just checking to see if our potatoes are fork tender. When they are fork tender, you will add them to a bowl and let those cool. Once they're cool, you will add your dressing and gently mix those together as your potatoes are soft and you do not want them to break. Now you're going to add your bacon and your onions and your eggs. And then continue to mix until everything is combined.
That is a most exquisite potato salad.